Welcome to Wingspan Adventures and Flight, where we bring the soul of aviation to life through real-world, boots-on-the-ramp storytelling. In today's video, we're stepping back into the golden age of military aviation with a first-hand look at the legendary Stearman PT-22 recruit, proudly operated by the commemorative Air Force Jayhawk Wing out of Wichita, Kansas. This rugged primary trainer helped forge the hands and hearts of America's World War II pilots, and today, we're giving it the spotlight it truly deserves. Known officially as the Recruit, the PT-22 wasn't forgiving, but that was the point. If you could master this machine, you were ready for the next step. Over 1,000 were built, and today only a few remain airworthy, including this one, beautifully maintained by the CAF Jayhawk Wing. It's more than a warbird. It's a time machine with a propeller. The Stearman PT-22 is powered by the Kinner R540, a 5-cylinder radial engine cranking out 160 horsepower. Built tough and simple, it was a workhorse in World War II primary trainers. Today, these engines are rare, around 80 still in operation, with only a handful still flying regularly. Their unique growl and vintage performance make them a favorite among warbird restorers and are a living piece of aviation history.